Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lecture 6, Measurement and Accountability, Cost Allocation Building Blocks. Information. In Lecture 6 on Measurement and Accountability, the focus is on understanding the fundamentals of cost allocation, which forms the foundation for effectively managing and tracking expenses within an organization. Let's break down the key building blocks. Key building block. 1. Cost allocation. This is the process of assigning common costs to the individual cost objects, such as products, services, departments, or customers, that consume the resources. Cost allocation is crucial for accurate financial reporting and decision-making. 2. Direct costs. These are costs that can be easily traced to a specific cost object. For example, direct materials used in manufacturing a product or direct labor costs associated with producing a service. 3. Indirect costs, also known as overhead costs. These are costs that cannot be directly traced to a specific cost object. Indirect costs include expenses like rent, utilities, and administrative salaries. These costs need to be allocated to cost objects using an appropriate allocation method. 4. Cost pools. Indirect costs are often accumulated into cost pools based on their common characteristics, such as departmental overhead costs or activity-based costs. Cost pools simplify the allocation process by grouping similar expenses together. 5. Allocation bases. Also referred to as cost drivers, allocation bases are the factors used to distribute indirect costs from cost pools to cost objects. Common allocation bases include direct labor hours, machine hours, square footage, or number of units produced. Location methods. There are various methods for allocating indirect costs to cost objects, including A. Direct method, allocates indirect costs directly to cost objects without allocating them to intermediate cost centers. B. Step-down method, allocates costs sequentially from one service department to another, usually starting with the department that incurs the highest costs. C. Reciprocal method, accounts for mutual services provided among service departments by considering the interrelationships between them. D. Activity-based costing, ABC allocates costs based on the activities that drive the consumption of resources, providing more accurate allocations by considering the specific activities that drive costs.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.